a great choice today with the 2018 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.